Hello everyone, this is Lee from Grand River Chinese Orchestra, and today I'd like to give you a sneak peek about my friend, which called Erhu in Chinese. This cute little guy is called the bridge. It comes in so many different styles, different shapes and different wood, so it makes the Erhu sounds different. And here comes the pad. We have so many different materials for the pad, and it fits different styles of Erhu. It's like the wolf tone eliminator to make the Erhu sounds more clean and beautiful. And we also have different materials for the looping cord. Finally, here comes the most important part, the python skin. Different styles of Erhu use different parts of the skin. This one is the part near the belly, and this one is the tail. If you want to know more about Erhu and Chinese music, please come to our concert and enjoy our live music through those amazing instruments. See you soon!